I'm back with another eye look. I'm using the ABH palette in Cosmos, it's like that. For today's eye look, I used 3 brushes. I used the Refer 27, the Singe Beauty EO2, and Singe Beauty EO1. Starting off with the Refer 27, I went into Comet. It ended up being my transition shade. Oh, it's so Fox. Bye, Fox. It ended up being my transition shade, but as you can see, it kind of disappeared in this eye look, so I probably could have just skipped this part, but that's fine. I used the EO1, and I took, which one did I take? Oh yeah, I went out in. So I took Mercury, that's this one right here. I just took that on the outer lid, just being more bold with my look. I think I did a better job on this side. And because I'm going to do the same thing I did on that side, I will add more to the outer corner. And then just kind of take the leftover inward a little. Then I'm going to wipe off that brush. Wipe it off really well because it is a dark color. I went in with Sun. Where's that? Right here. So I want you to notice what it looks like on my eye. You see how in the pan it looked yellow almost? Like a yellow, pink, maybe you can't see it. It looks kind of yellow, orangey, a hint of pink, but it looks very pink on my eye, which is fine. But you want to keep that in mind. I kind of brought it out just so that it overlays on top of the Mercury a little bit. The EO2 from Singe Beauty. I went in with Dark Matter in the outer corner because I was trying to overcorrect for like my hood, and I don't know that I should have done that. Wiping off my brush, I went in with Space Dust, and just to like kind of blur the edges. Again, I don't know if any of this was necessary. I feel like I could have skipped like 5 steps, two steps. Then wiping off my brush again, I went in with Mercury, which is that first shimmer color, this gray one. And then I kind of filled in where I thought there were gaps, which honestly, I think I just did a better job on this side. And that was it. I'm going to put on mascara and then I will be right back. So I just used my Pat McGrath Dark Star mascara, and that is it for my eye look.